All right, so this activity, we're debugging Sprite names for code.org here. So if you look, when we run this, it's creating the cherry, but then there's these two blocks. What's going on here is, we want to create 3 of these. However, the issue is we have Sprite, Sprite, and Sprite. And it's causing an issue, and we have Sprite, Sprite, and Sprite. So what's happening is because we don't have the unique name for each of these, it's not loading that for these 2 right here. It's creating the Sprite at this location, and this Sprite gets cherry, and then the other 2 just are not loading that. Because these need to be unique names, and then obviously these need to be unique as well, corresponding to what the names are up above here. So simple fix, we'll just name this one Sprite 1, Sprite 2, and Sprite 3. So when we have these just as sprites, and these are just sprites, it's really only displaying one of them. It's not able to display that cherry for all 3. So we'll just change these as well. And so now this sprite is loading cherry, this sprite is loading this one, and this one is loading this one. And if we run that, there you go. So you just always have to make sure if, when you declare a sprite, that's the one, that sprite name. You can't declare another one with the same sprite name. Okay, it causes an issue with the program to store that information. All right, kind of a simple fix there. Just make sure you use unique names with these, so these correspond to this one and this one and this one and so on. All right, there you go. Good luck.